This is not your typical review channel. Instead, I like to show the behind the scenes. Today's video will show the Zhiyun Molus X60 RGB fill light. If you need specs and tech, you can check out Gerald & Dunn. He is way mo better. This is what I did in my last couple of shoots. As you can see, there are quite a few lights being used. We have Aperture 300 X's, Godox TL60s, and then two Zhiyun X60s. I've got the two apertures camera left acting as the key and then the fill. By keeping the main lights off to the side, it keeps the shadows on the core, showcasing the model's abs. You can see the tube light in the back acting as a lower body rim. The X60 camera left acts as an additional fill. There's another tube light camera left providing some upper body separation. The X60 camera right is aimed at the mirror, adding both an edge to the model's upper body as well as the gym equipment. You might wonder why so many lights camera left. The X60 added a harsher rim on top of the key and the fill, which were both softened by the modifiers. The design of the X60s, honestly, amazing. They look and feel super solid. In addition to being bright, they are also RGB, giving a wide range of colors. Here's an example of what we got. Maybe not safe for work. Here we show the behind the scenes of our next sets. I've got 4 of the Godox TL60s to give some color to the background. And then I used the 2 X60s to give a little bit of color onto her. Based on the shadow behind her, you can tell where the lights are positioned. We have one into the front camera left side. And then I've actually got one on the camera right side. Definitely a fan of these lights. Not only can you plug them in, but you can use the battery that's included as well. Here I used a combo of all the lights, and then I added an additional Aperture 60 to give more of a spotlight effect. While this video is not a sponsored video, they did send me out these 2 units for free for me to test out and then to show how they were used. They sent out 2, one is for me, and then the other one I'm going to send out to one of you. For consideration, all you have to do is like my Instagram, and lastly, all you have to do is comment down below in the comments area which one of my videos is your favorite.